There we go. Just coated it in resin and hardener. Doing this side, did a bit on this side too. You can see it actually pulls slightly in areas, just to counterbalance whatever was on this side. Just went and drenched that side too. Definitely not the prettiest woofer, and won't win any awards for the way it looks, but at the end of the day, structurally it's rigid, and the surround's still okay. I mean, it's a bit tatty, but nothing wrong with it. Central dust cap is still decent. Suspension is great, still got a lot of pop in it. Voice coil, it's probably been played on low power, that's why the slight discoloration, but definitely not been overpowered. No markings on the inside of the former, so sorry, the glare, I just can't get rid of the glare, but yeah, no scratching on the inside of the former, so the coil was centered correctly when this was installed. You can see the triple joint still intact, pretty nice still actually, considering the age. The bottom suspension is good. Closer look at the coil itself, very neat. It's a bit tricky with one hand, but yep, that's the lower suspension, or the upper suspension, still very much intact. Triple joint still looks good. I might go along the back of this cone with a bit of just the surface resin. I don't know if it'll be for any good reason, maybe just a bit of balance. But yeah, slowly coming along, and I'm sure it'll function, should function alright. I'll tell you, it's a little bit heavier. I would say roughly about just under 200 ml of resin. No, probably about 125 ml of resin, to be realistic in total. So that's added a bit of weight, probably about 125 grams.